And I might have to start giving him Bikini any dirt. In the summertime, I'm gonna see if he can. If he gets better, he starts to dry cat food. Yeah, I'll give him start giving him 9 lives dry cat food in the summertime, along with the rest of King Caboodle Family Pet mix in the summertime. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to start giving him 9 lives. 9 lives cat food. See, my munching on 9 lives wet cat food. I gotta start giving 9 lives dry cat food. Or Friskies. Dry cat food. They make wet cat food as well. So, I might have to be a 360 a day wet cat food cat. We'll see. Jim likes a piece of dry food and see pizza. Oh, he's desperate. You're sure it's more. Oh, it's gonna get more. I need more cat. He's 100 cat right now. He's been drinking a white cat food. It's kind of liquidy. It's the gravy, so maybe, and then it's the drinking cat. Dry cat food anyway. So I think I'm eating cat food now. The cat's getting cat food for me. That'll be good, so. Except for my cat. Means what cat food.